Ozone layer is present below the stratosphere at the height of 48 kilometers from the Earth's surface. So from the Earth's surface you observe 48 kilometers. Here, what is like? I just explained to you drawing it. See, this is what. uh, See, sometimes say if I wanted to filter tea, I will take one filter, keep over it, and pour the tea in it. What happens is the tea will come inside the bottle, and all the filter that all tea powder remains, right? Please, Earth, if ozone layer doesn't protect us, then sun's ultraviolet rays will come on the earth. Ozone layer is doing the work of filtration. It filters. When you take tea, pour it in this funnel, so it will get filtered through this filter. The tea powder will remain up and the tea will fall down. Correct? So even the ozone layer is like our filter. It filters the sun rays and doesn't allow ultraviolet rays to reach earth. Followed? So ultraviolet rays from ultraviolet rays from the sun coming towards earth gets filtered by this ozone layer and we are safe here. The filtered rays comes to us. Now let us go ahead with the greenhouse effect and global warming. Many a times this topic comes in the essays also. So basically understand what is the greenhouse effect and the global warming. Children, as you all know, carbon dioxide is present in very less quantity in the atmosphere. Means you can say that 0.03 percentage of carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. Okay, what is the function of carbon dioxide that you know? It helps the plants to make its own food. It converts carbon dioxide to carbohydrates, right? Now, children, this carbon dioxide, na, it absorbs the heat. Carbon dioxide gas absorbs the heat, and if it is more heat will be absorbed, and the temperature of Earth increases. Now, over the last 100, that it is observed that due to industrialization, carbon dioxide gas percentage is increased, right? So, due to it, carbon monoxide Nitrogen oxide, methane, etc. are getting mixed. These are called as the greenhouse effect gas. Next part, it gives rise to children. Temperature, this greenhouse effect give rise to change in the atmosphere. It causes the disturbance in the agricultural yield also, and it decreases the wildlife also. See here, this carbon dioxide gases in the other nitrogen oxide, methane gas, etc. They trap the heat, and hence they are called as greenhouse gases because they trap the heat of the sun. Okay, so these are called as greenhouse effect. Next part is air acid rain. The oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into the atmosphere through burning of coal, timber, fuel, etc. Now, all these oxides, they are getting mixed with the atmosphere. The raindrops or the snowflakes come down along with this particular substance, and we call it as a acid rain. See, observe. Effect of acid rain. The acidity of the soil and the water bodies increases due to the acid rain. What happens? Because it is acid now which is getting added. So the acidity in the soil also increases. What happens is the fertility get decreased due to it. We have the, see, the gases which are there, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. Right? Here we have the clouds which is giving the rain. Now these gases are getting absorbed and that get mixed with the rainwater. Right? So as they come down from the air, through the air, when the raindrops comes down, by the time if this all thing get mixes up and it is touching the ground, then it is called as the acid rain. So what is the effect of the acid rain? The acidity of the soil and the water bodies increases. Then it is harmful for the aquatic organism, plants and the entire forest life. Aquatic animals will even fish is also included. So in fact entire ecosystem is getting affected. Secondly, erosion of the building, burst, historical monument, bridges, metal ideas, wire fence, etc. occurs due to acid rains. Third, heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed by the plants and thereby enter the food chain directly due to the acid rain. So these all are absorbed by the plants, and we eat plants, so through the plants it comes to our body also, and so on, right? So due to the acidification of water in various water bodies like pipes, leakage of pipes, Plastic material occurs in the water and nearby seriously health problem may arise.